Hey team, it's Daniel again with the Brazos Valley Boars and Varmints. So, we need to do an update video. As many of y'all that have been following my YouTube and Facebook and Instagram already know, that sometime last year I got hit by an 18-wheeler. I ended up having to go through surgery, have been doing recovery. Things have not been going like we planned, especially with COVID. And guys, things are just taking a really long time. And so the best option for me right now is to let somebody else that I know and trust kind of take over the reins on this until I can get fully back in the game. And so one of the guys that I've been hunting with for a few years now, you've already seen him before. He's been on several of the podcast things. You've seen him in some of the shooting sequences. Dustin, you're going to be seeing him doing a lot of the shooting from here on out. You're going to be seeing him doing a lot of the sighting in. We've got some gear review things that we definitely are going to be starting me kicking up and doing, and he's going to be a lot more involved in that. And so, guys, I just want to do an introduction. This is Dustin. You are probably also going to be seeing a few other guys as well, but Dustin lives not too far away, and he's free most evenings and can help me out with doing this. Kind of like how we were hunting in the evenings. You're free, you don't live that far. It's just simple, it's easy, it made sense. So guys, I really hope that y'all enjoy this transition, as you'll be seeing less of me and more of him until I can fully get back into this. Don't worry, I ain't going nowhere. I'm the only one that knows how to run the editing software, so I'll still be here, but you'll be seeing a lot more of him too. Guys, thank you for being so awesome and keeping this going. Bye.